Hello in the world. I'm Rai from Super Samurai Brothers. I'm back with a series of very popular Japanese language lectures. In this series, I'm going to show you some Japanese that you will not find in your textbook. So this is second lesson. The second lesson is about meaning and usage of the word obasan and obaasan. Obasan and obaasan. So I saw on the internet that some samurais feel difficult to understand the difference between obasan and obaasan. So I would like to explain you how to use them. Alright, Samu! Hey Samu!
Hey guys! I'm Sam from Super Samurai Brothers.
So Samu, which do you like, obasan or obaasan?
Of course, both.
So he likes both of them. First of all, let's try to understand the difference in pronunciation. Okay, please.
Okay.
So first of all, obaasan is meaning grandmother or old lady, and the second one, obasan, is aunt or madam. So the obasan has a little bit longer pronunciation, and the obasan is very short, but is including. So now let's measure it. So we are going to measure it. The first, Samu says obaasan. Okay, please Sam, do it.
I'll be go.
You will be go.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Obaasan.
Oh, sure. That's less than 1 second. Okay, obaasan. All right. The second one, obasan.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Obasan.
So it's a little bit shorter. Okay, so you guys understand obasan and obasan. So obasan is a little bit shorter. Okay. All right. And then, so let's play game.
Yeah!
So please find where is obasan. So some going to say obasan and obasan, like obasan, and you guys please find where is obasan. Okay? Are you ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Okay.
Okay, so please do it.
3,
2,
2, 1. Obasan, obaasan, obasan.
So where is obasan?
Yeah.
So where is obasan?
Second is おばあさん。
Second is obasan.
おばあさん。
Okay.
君は天才だ。英語で言ってあげてくれ。
You guys are genius. So the second, a little bit higher level. Please stay with us. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, do it. 3, 2, 1.
おばさん、おばさん、おばあさん、おばさん、おばさん。
One more, please.
おばさん、おばさん、おばあさん、おばさん、おばさん。
Difficult じゃないですか。
わかるでしょうに。
Okay. So where? どこ?
It's sad.
Third.
Sad is おばあさん。
おばあさん。Okay. Thank you so much. This is our very popular Japanese language lesson. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Please comment us and subscribe.